Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video we are going to understand the question paper pattern for the term 1 examination for English subject. You all are aware that this year the board has introduced a special scheme of assessment, and as per this special scheme of assessment, instead of one final board examination, there will be two term end examinations, and the first term examination will be held somewhere between November and December. So we need to understand what will be the question paper pattern and the marking scheme for the term 1 examination for English subject. There are certain important points that you need to remember, that it will be a completely MCQ based examination. That means all the questions will be multiple choice questions. Now generally we know that one question carries 1 mark, but for English subject this will not be the case. Every question will carry 0.8 marks. This is something that you need to remember very well. Every question will carry 0.8 marks, and it will be a question paper of total 40 marks, and you have 90 minutes to write this question paper. So the total duration for completing 40 marks question paper will be 90 minutes. There will be 3 sections in the question paper. Question paper is divided in 3 sections. Section A is related to reading comprehension. Section B is related to grammar and writing skills. And section C is related to literature. Now let us understand every section in detail. First, section A, reading. In this section there will be 2 questions, question 1 and question 2. There will be unseen passages in every question. Question 1 will carry 1 unseen passage. It will be a discursive passage, and its word limit will be 400 to 450 words. And based on this unseen passage, there will be 10 questions. Out of these 10 questions, you will have to answer any 8 questions. So you can see that there is a choice here. Out of 10 questions, you have to attempt any 8 questions. So as we have discussed earlier, 8 questions multiplied by 0.8. So this every question carries 0.8 marks. So total marks for this question number 1, unseen passage number 1, are 6.4. Similarly, for question number 2, again there will be 1 unseen passage, but it will be a case based factual passage with a word limit of 300 to 350 words. Here there are total 8 questions, and out of 8 questions you have to attempt any 6 questions. So again these will be multiple choice questions, and out of the 4 options you need to tick mark, you need to choose the correct option. So for all these 6 marks, every question will carry 0.8 marks, and total marks will be 4.8. So this is how section A, reading section, will appear in the examination. Total 14 questions you need to attempt, and total marks for section A, reading, are 11.2. Now let's go to section B. Section B is related to grammar and writing skills. There will be 2 questions in this section B. Question number 3 will be based on grammar topics. So these are the grammar topics for first term examination: tenses, modals, subject verb agreement, determiners, reported speech of commands, requests, statements and questions. So these are the grammar topics Based on these topics, there will be a total number of 5 questions, 5 grammar questions. Every question will be multiple choice question. There will be one question. Under the question there will be 4 options and you need to choose the correct option. So you need to attempt 5 out of 6 and every question will carry 0.8 marks. So 4 marks for grammar questions. Next, question number 4 is based on writing skills question. So what is the writing skills syllabus for first term? So it is formal letter, letter to editor or letter of complaint, official letter or business letter. So these are the types of letters for first term examination in writing skills section. Now here you need to remember one thing, that you will not be asked to write any letter here, but the questions will be framed in such a manner that they will test your knowledge of writing skills. They will test your knowledge whether you are able to write formal letters or not. Do you know the procedure? Do you know the format of writing formal letter or not? So this knowledge, this understanding of writing a formal letter will be tested through these questions. Again, there will be 6 questions. Out of those you need to attempt any 5, and for 5 there are 4 marks. So this is how total marks for grammar and writing skills in this question paper out of 40 marks are 8. So total 10 questions you will have to attempt, 5 from grammar section, 5 questions from writing skills section, and there are 8 marks for this. Section C. Section C is based on literature part of your textbooks. There will be total 30 questions from literature part, and out of those 30 questions you will have to attempt any 26 questions. In literature section will have 5 questions. Question number 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So question number 5 is for 4 marks, and there will be one scene extract in question number 5. In question number 6 also there will be one scene extract. Now the scene extracts which will come in question number 5 and 6, they will come from your textbook, from your English textbook, that is First Flight. And these are the topics for the syllabus of first term. Letter to God, Nelson Mandela, 2 stories about flying, From the Diary of Anne Frank, The 100 Dresses, Part 1 and Part 2. Similarly, for question number 6 also, scene extract will come from the same topics from the First Flight textbook. So scene extract number 1 will carry 4 marks, scene extract number 2 for question number 6 will also carry 4 marks. Now in question number 7, again there will be one scene extract, but this scene extract will come from one poem. So these are the 4 poems for your first term syllabus. Out of these 4 poems, one scene extract will come for 4 marks. Now question number 8, again there will be one scene extract, but this scene extract will be from your supplementary reader, that is Footprints Without Feet. So from the topics which are for the first term, from Footprints Without Feet, one scene extract will come. So in this way, in this literature section, there are total 4 scene extracts, and each scene extract is for 4 marks. Question number 5, 6, 7 and 8. These questions are for scene extracts. Now let us discuss the last question from the literature section. This is question number 9. In question number 9 also there will be questions. There will be total 10 questions. They will be from both the textbook, that is First Flight and Footprints Without Feet. So from these 2 prescribed textbooks there will be total 10 questions. all these questions will be multiple choice questions, but the difference between question number 5, 6, 7, 8 and question number 9 is in 5, 6, 7, 8 they will provide you one extract, and based on that extract questions will be asked. But in question number 9 there won't be any extract. Without the help of passage, without the help of extract, you will have to answer these 10 questions. So in this way, in this literature section there are total 30 questions, and out of these 30 questions you will have to attempt any 26 questions. So they have not prescribed that from question number 5 how many you have to attempt, question number 6 how many you will have to attempt. Such instructions are not given. Clear instructions are there that out of these 30, any 26 questions should be attempted, and 26 multiplied by each question will carry 0.8 marks. So total marks for this literature section are 20.8. So in this way, the total marks of the question paper are 40. Section A reading 11.2, section B grammar and writing skill 8 marks, section C literature 20.8 marks. So this makes a complete question paper of 40 marks. So dear students, I hope this information, the information shared in this video was useful to you. So understand the question paper pattern thoroughly and plan your studies techniques according to the question paper pattern, so that you will be able to score good marks in the forthcoming first term examination. So all the best for your examination. Thank you.